Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a navigation bar onto your master page, and then I'm going to show you how to edit that navigation bar. So first thing I'm going to do is I need to go onto my master page. The reason why we put it on the master page is because we want it to appear on every single page. And by putting it on the master page, that is the template page, and that will ensure that it appears on every page that we currently have and any subsequent pages that we add in. So if I double click on Master A, make sure that the eyeball's there, that's the one I'm editing, and I come back to my main page here like this. Now on the left hand side here, you're going to see a button that says Insert Asset, and it looks like a cardboard box with a green arrow pointing out of it. If I click on that there, what that does is brings up this set of options here, and this contains lots of different assets which we can then use within our website. So scrolling down the left hand side, I'm going to look for NavBars. Now NavBars is short for navigation bars, and on here what you'll see is an array of different types of navigation bars that I can choose. You'll see that most of them are green and grey and black, but that's okay because that's the standard default colours which we can then go and change, and I'll show you how to do that very shortly. So I'm just going to pick one of these and click OK, and then I can just click on there like that and then just drag that into the middle, and you see there that it's actually popped up with two buttons on there. The reason why it's popped up with two buttons is because I currently have two pages. I currently have, just on the right hand side of the screen here, show you this, I have home and test, and this here has home and test. So if I was to add a new page by clicking on the plus like this, zoom out and I'll give it a name of practice. Okay, just going back to the home page, you can see that on the master page, you can see that it's added on a further button. Now, in terms of being able to edit this, if I'm on my master page, what I can do is I can just simply double click on it, and along the top we have a series of tabs. If I click on the one that says appearance, that will allow me to start to edit my navigation bar. So I get a preview at the bottom here to show me what it currently looks like. Okay, and above it here I have the different types of buttons I've got. So in this instance there's only one type of button, which is a single button, and it has next to it a green pencil like so. And what this allows me to do is to edit the button. So if I click on that, and it takes me into the button editor. Now the button editor shows me the different states of the buttons. The way a button works is it is in essence a number of different pictures which show depending on what the mouse is doing on the screen. So to start off with, I'm just going to double click on background, because at the bottom you'll see I've got background, normal, down, hover, disabled, menu right, and below. If I double click on background like that, the eyeball there denotes that's what I'm working on, and I can perhaps click on some of these. So I might go, for example, a sky blue background, and my default at the bottom there of the shell, I'm going to pick burgundy for argument's sake. And then what I can do is perhaps even the text now, go to purple for argument's sake, and then go through each one and decide what I would like it to look like. When I've finished, just at the top of the screen there, we have commit changes, and I get my preview down there. I click OK, and then there we go. The navigation bar has changed, and if I go through all of my pages, I can see that it appears on there.